Hello, Brittany here from Indian Head Chrysler. Today we're going to be talking about accessories. So just what are our top 5 selling accessories? I'm sure you can guess, but they are tonneau covers, running boards, wheel locks, mats, and of course, mud flaps. And did you know that you can shop online through our website? Let me show you how. All right, so here we are on the Indian Head Chrysler website. You're going to select parts and serves from the top, scroll down to the online accessory store, and then you're going to customize it. Select the year, what type of vehicle you drive, the make, the model, and what trim level. And then it's going to pull up a whole list of accessories unique to your vehicle. And to make things more efficient, the price also shows on some of them the installation included, so there's no guessing. So if you have any questions at all, make sure you call the dealership. Ask to speak to parts, either Simon or Jeff. They're happy to help you customize your vehicle.